What is going on, everyone? So today I will be replacing my factory looking exhaust. It's making that buzzing sound every time I warm it up. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's subsided right now. Anyway, I got a brand used JDM SIR exhaust that I'm going to be putting on the car. And let's go to Mike's Muffler and yep, let's just put it on, because I had a custom exhaust diameter wise. It's a little bit larger than the factory, so I'm gonna have to remove this and put a new one in. So this is the exhaust, SIR exhaust from Japan. It's a I've looked for so long for this exhaust. I waited years actually just to find an exhaust, like a factory exhaust. And it comes with the tips as well. Quite happy with it. I actually painted it black because it was kind of rusting. You know, Japan's weather is not so great on metals. So let's go to Mike's Muffler and get this piece cut right over here. Just this tip, and then they'll put the actual it's gonna be all bolt on basically, just to cut that tip to fit my custom made piping. So let's go, let's roll. Oh man, it's gloomy today, guys. All right, finally here at Mike's Muffler. Hermes the man again. There's my factory exhaust from SIR, Honda SIR, or CRX SIR. And we're gonna be replacing my non-factory aftermarket exhaust as well. That looks stock, but it's not. You know, wow, when you look at that car, that thing's dropped. It's on hydraulics, or airbags, I should say. God damn, that looks sick. Beautiful. All right, the old one is off. Yeah. So this is my old one where it actually rattles. As you can see, those are the remnants of the catalytic converter that was replaced back then. Well, I have a new cat now, so it got stuck in there. I couldn't take it out. I'm gonna be saving this piece over here, and she is off. Thank you, brother.
You want to toss this? Toss it.
Just toss it. Bye. Better, right? There it is, no more rattling sound. It's a nice little OEM sound.
There's no way you would have fit in there.
All right, everyone, it's done. You hear this? It's pretty quiet, factory. And let's test drive it. Windows open. Love it, pretty quiet. And we are home, everyone. So I'm quite happy with it. The drive is pretty good. It sounds like a factory, quiet, no nonsense, loud sound. And it looks pretty sick. So there's that flange I was talking about. That way it's a purely bolt-on, because I have a bigger flange in the mid-pipe. You know, on the SIR exhaust, I did not know that this is actually a whole covering on it. It's like the whole tip. It's nicely placed. Anyway, I gotta clean it up and factory sound. Everyone, thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless, be safe out there, and take care. Bye.